I take a picture of you?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Wait. Mateo, are you excited? Why? Do you know how to speak Tagalog? If you are in the Philippines, you must speak Tagalog. You cannot play with other kids if you do not know how to speak Tagalog. Okay? What Tagalog words do you know?
Kamusta ka?
What else?
Thank you. Salamat po.
Good job.
Maraming salamat.
Wow, thank you. Is that all?
Yes.
How can you play with the other kids if you always say, salamat po? What else? Stop. Okay, We're almost there in Manila. So, how many more minutes? 52 minutes.
2 more minutes left.
Yeah. Alin? Ito.
We're now in Asia.
playground. We're here in Manila. We're now here in the Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines, Mateo. Mateo. Mateo, welcome to the Philippines.
Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 4:21 in the morning of June 30, 2024. Remain seated with your seatbelt security fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Gauna and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. The heart of the Filipino, mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Okay, you're welcome.
We made it to the Philippines, guys. We really made it. All of us clapped.
Oh, what happened to your lip?
Welcome to Ninoy Aquino International Airport, also known as Manila.
Good
Sorry,
job.
guys. I'll be right back.
You vlog.
We are now here in the Philippines. It is my pleasure that I am really now happy that we're at Manila. Welcome to Ninoy Aquino International Airport, also known as Manila.
Is it also? Where is Manila?
Here,
Yeah, where is Manila? Is it in the United States?
in the Philippines.
Oh, good job.
Welcome to the Philippines. It is really my honor that I am really super impressed that we all made it together.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
See you later.
We'll see you later. Someone's
Thank you.
Morning, mabuhay.
Mabuhay, Philippines.
Mateo, welcome to the Philippines. Oh. Watch out. Wait, let's take a video of this one.
So which airport are we now at?
There.
Which airport are we now at?
Thank you, Mateo, for bringing my luggage. Thank you.
I really want to thank all my friends for helping me.
Oops. Oo, pagka... May natin dala. Ito. Ayan, lahat yan. Lahat yan. Binigyan mo, Johnny. Binigyan mo na. Ni-ready mo na.